Hi, my name is Claudia Kunin, and I was a guest lecturer at Medium in 2017. I'm here to do a little studio tour at my house and to show you a little bit of what's involved in making one of my animations. Where we're starting is my hallway. And in my hallway, I have daguerreotypes that I have used to make animations from, and you can just get a feel for part of my home here. My family encouraged definite interest in the macabre, and my father was a big fan of Edgar Allan Poe. He passed that bug along to the rest of the family, me in particular. I've always sought after ghosts and what is mysterious and what we can't understand. When I first started making animations, I worked with things I had in my own collection, photographs that I had taken, and then in about the year 2019, I realized that there is such a thing as public domain. There are things available online that you're able to use, download high-resolution images for free. So this particular portrait of Edgar Allan Poe is from the Getty Museum collection. I downloaded a high-res file, retouched it, and added the raven and animated it. I thought it might be interesting for you to see a bit about how I put it together. So here we are in Photoshop, and you can start to see how I break it up into parts. Right eyeball, left iris, face, forehead, hair and ears, left jaw, right jaw. And then I can tell the parts what to do after I import them into After Effects. While I was out looking for ravens, I spotted one on a trash can in my neighborhood. I'm very proud of animating this still image of a bird with its wings folded up and making it fly. This is the bird in slow motion as it comes in for a landing on his head.
Nevermore.